Hello guys, today we are going to start the pseudo distributed mode for Hadoop. As in the previous video we completed the standalone mode. So today we are going to install the pseudo distributed mode. Okay. So for this we have to be set the previous path by using the source command on the bash rc profile. Okay. We just type the source command on the bash rc profile, means our Hadoop path should be set in this way, and also the Java part should be also needs to be set by checking with this command. Okay, both our path are set. So now we are going to start the Hadoop. So first go to Hadoop 2.7.3 directory, then go to etc directory, and then again go to Hadoop directory. When we are into the Hadoop directory, we have to be added 4 files. That is, first file is course site.xml. Here you will see the configuration and configuration folder. So we have to be put properties here between the configuration and configuration file. Okay, so let me type all the things side by side. I'll explain all the properties. We are assigning here opening port for HDFS. So we are assigning the name of our property, that is fs dot default dot fs, and closing the name syntax. Then we are going to set the value of it, means our HDFS port should be open on the different way. HDFS localhost, we already set it the localhost by using the OpenSSH server. Okay, just saving by Control X and press N. Then we are setting up the SDFS site.xml. So we just added the SDFS site.xml with the replication factor 1, as we are working over the single node cluster. By pressing the Control X and Y, you can save it directly. Now we have to be edit the map.read site.xml. This is not the file actually, so we have to be use the cp command to be copy the stack template into the map.read site.xml, remove this last template, and it's copied. Now added the map.read site.xml with the nano command. Okay, so we have to be added the MapReduce framework that should be used by the yarn. Okay, okay, so we have to be added the MapReduce framework dot name, and the name is yarn. Okay, just by pressing the Control X and Y you can save it. Now we have to edit the yarn site. Okay, so in the yarn site we have to specify the property, then name of the property, that would be yarn dot node manager dot auxiliary services and value would be MapReduce use the shuffle service. Okay, by using this Control X you can save it. Now we have to be go by the Hadoop directory and use the command bin slash sdfs name node format. It is required to be format the name node or the SDFS system first time, not every time. If all the file setting is good, then it will format it, otherwise system will show some error. Everything is good and system is uh, shut down the name node, means it's formatted. Okay, now we have to be use the sbin start.dfs.sh to start the DFS services. It's having some issue, that's why it is showing starting name node as in a blank. Okay, so let me complete this step. If anybody found this error name node on the blank space, follow with me the next steps. Okay, So we have an issue with the core side, that's why that error was come. Okay, so the error is like this one, default fs control x y cd backslash, come out from the main directory and go again to the Hadoop directory, then run again bin slash, sorry, we have to stop earlier services, so we'll use the command sbin slash stop dash all dot sh. It will stop all the running services. As we change the XML file, so we have to be format the name node again. Okay, so we have the command bin slash dfs name node format. It will ask from us to be yes or no. Press N, then no. Here you just type N and enter. Now run sbin slash start dfs.sh. Now it will not show the blank bracket, it will run with the local host. Yes, let's check the services which are running. It should be 4 services. Now we have to start the yarn services. Now it should be the 6 services are running, means our system are working fine. Just open the web browser, and check with the whether the Hadoop system is running or not by typing the 8088. What happens with it? Which is working fine. Okay, so this is, here we are completing the pseudo distributed mode. Okay, here the pseudo distributed mode is completed, and in the next video I am giving you the pig and hive installation, and in separate mail I'll send you the downloadable files and the code which we have to be add or change something in it. Okay, that will more easier to be you for the copy and paste. Okay, thank you guys.